Are you tired of looking for reliable cleaners? I am going to share my SOPs, my standard operating procedure for hiring cleaners for my cleaning business. So, whether you're a solo cleaner or you already have a business or you're even thinking about the cleaning business, this will be an awesome video for you. My name is Corey. Welcome to Real Men Get It Done. I'm here to just push and challenge people to pursue entrepreneurship, specifically in the cleaning business industry, a $1 billion a year industry. So let's get into it. Real Men Get It Done. So we're back at it. I can't stress enough. Again, when I first started, the cleaning business is so cool because it's a $1 billion industry. It's not regulated, so you can jump right into it. You can go to the dollar store, grab you a whole bunch of supplies, just cleaning supplies, some easy stuff that you can get, a broom, a mop, some disinfectant, and with $10, you can start your cleaning business. But this is a little bit a next level of trying to get people to do things the right way. So I'll be honest, a lot of cleaners when they are starting off may not be as legit as they could be, but that comes with growth, that comes with getting more money in your pocket, and then beginning to turn your business into that legit piece of what it should be. So for me, from day one, because I knew I was moving my foot forward into the cleaning business. Again, if you didn't know, my YouTube channel spun into the cleaning business. I wanted to make sure I was doing things right the first during at the very beginning. So a part of that was becoming legit. And I will also say, just for myself, these are things that I did on my own before I even joined the Cleaning Business University. But I have to highlight the course again. If you jump in, grab the course, or even look and follow some of the YouTubes or the Instagram lives that the coaches have done, they'll probably drop some knowledge in there about doing things the right way. But for me, I did this before I even joined the community because, again, I was cleaning about a year and a half before I even decided to move forward with leveling up with Cleaning Business University. So the first thing I did was got my insurance. I got my insurance through Next, and they work specifically with cleaning businesses. I also became legit and got an LLC through my department of the department that's the state your state website that controls all the businesses. I'm going blank on the actual name, but I was legit with a full official name and also insurance. Now, of course, things don't necessarily happen, but the course of having insurance is in case something does happen. So those are the two biggest things that I highly encourage you to do if you're already cleaning or if you're thinking about starting a cleaning business. And even if not, if you even just throwing a business on the books is important because it still shows that that business has been there even if you don't start until a year later. So those are the first two things that I got. And those are important because as I move forward with thinking about hiring contractors and bringing them through my process, I want them to be legit as well. Now, does it always happen when you're looking for people to join up with you? No, some people may not have insurance, but again, that's a potential gamble that you have to be willing to take. So, again, as I mentioned before, fill in the gaps of how it can work for you, work for your business. All of it is definitely explained inside the Cleaning Business University. But I will say these are the first two things that I did just to make sure I was legit. So, going back to my process, if I do decide to onboard you, you're going to get an email that's going to be a part one and a part two. Simply, I'm going to do a background check on you to make sure that you don't have anything criminal because you're going to be in folks' home, and that gives me a peace of mind. I'm going to have them sign a small contract, which pretty much in short just says we're going into this partnership together. We can separate this contract, but the biggest thing that you won't do is steal clients, and I can hold them liable for that. So, one company that I use, there's a lot of things that are out there just showing you, can't give you all the sauce, but giving you my quick agreements. That is my contract agreement that I use through Jot Forms. I love Jot Form. Some people may level up and use things like what's another one out there, DocuSign is another thing where you can take forms and actually have people sign them so that it is a legal binding document. Again, they have their signature on there, they've read through it, they're good to go. So I'm going to actually have you do the first two parts first, so that's out the way. As your background check comes back clear, I use a service called Checker for that. There's a lot of free, not free, but maybe very low cost to do background checks. But the one that I love is called Checker, and it's not an arm and a leg, but it's right here. So we want to get that quick background check. And then after that is all comes back, then we're going to move forward to my part 2. And like I said, this is a little bit next level, but in short, I'm going to onboard them into my system. I'm going to onboard them into QuickBooks. I have a booking software system that I use. I'm going to onboard them into QuickBooks so that I can pay them and make sure I have their 1099. That's what's needed for contractors at the end of the year. Although it's called something different this year. It's like a 1099K or something like that. And I'm going to give them a snapshot of what it means to be a subcontractor. So I don't have a problem with showing this because I created this myself. They're going to get 2 pieces of information: my cleaning list and some supporting documentation. So cleaning list is very simple. It just shows them how the different areas of a home that we may clean so that they know. And if you are a cleaner yourself, you know what you clean. And it's important, I would say, to put it down on paper again, so you're not just flying by the seat of your pants. And the other piece of information that I show them is it's just a quick document to show them like what subcontracting is. So it's just a quick layout of who I am. It's explaining to them what subcontracting is and just giving helpful suggestions for them to do a good job and be successful. Now, what I told you, the thing about independent contractors, they're their own boss. They should know how to clean. They should know what to do. But this is just a friendly reminder for them to, in a friendly suggested guide to help them be successful. Again, suggested things just to make sure that they're good to go and they understand what they're about to do in terms of being a subcontractor. So that's what all of my onboarding folks get. And it helps make sure that we have established the lines of communication. They know what I'm expecting. They know what to expect themselves. And we move forward with establishing this relationship. So we just broke down where to look again for these folks in video 1, where to look for them from. We moved into the actual application process of what I do, which is part of my SOP. And then in this video, I definitely took some time to break down a little bit what actually my onboarding process looks like for independent contractors. As I said, there's a lot to be said, and you can do it your own way. The whole goal is just to give you some more tips, some more tricks, some more gems to maybe beef up, or just to introduce you into doing it the right way of hiring and finding the best talent that you can. One thing that I always tell people is communication has been huge for me. I do my best to over communicate with everybody that wants to work with me and looking to join my team. And I just want you to be on your A game. So yeah, be on your A game and we'll be good. I tell people usually during the interview process, there's only 1 or 2 things that's going to stop you from working with me. If you are horrible with your communication, that's one. And if you aren't cleaning well, because I do ask the customers and we follow up on our customers, our clients, to see how the cleanings are. So if you're getting a lot of, it wasn't good or they didn't do a good job, you're most likely not going to remain with us moving forward. And that really is it outside the customer service. As I mentioned, this is not meant to be the end all and be all. Just want to give you some nuggets of information that can help you if you're thinking about starting a cleaning company, or if you're already a cleaner to level up. So fill in the gaps as you need to. Follow myself, follow the Hartzogs, and hopefully you'll be excited to join the Cleaning Business University so you can connect with people like myself and other like-minded cleaners that are all leveling up and just crushing this billion-dollar industry business. So till next time, peace and love and blessings. Real men get it done.